Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get WWE 2K24 for free. And this is available for all platforms, so that's PlayStation, consoles, PC, Steam, or Xbox. And it's super easy. This is going to get you a digital game code that you can redeem in the platform of your choice, and it's going to download the full copy of WWE 2K24. So let's get into the tutorial. Make sure you follow all of the steps and instructions. And yeah, so let's do this, guys. So you need to use your mobile phone. You can see I'm using an iPhone, but you can use whatever, iPhone or Android, whatever. And you've got to go to www.wavycoupons.com. So you've got to make sure you go to this website, guys. Wavy Coupons, they specialise in obviously coupon codes, but they do also provide you game codes. So go to the search bar at the top of the screen here and just type in WWE, and then you can type in like 2K24, and you're going to see this page here, the free digital game code. This is the page you need to navigate your way to. So click on that and scroll down. Now you can select between PlayStation, PC or Steam, and Xbox. So basically, guys, you have to select the console that you want a copy of WWE for. I personally play on Xbox, so that's what I'm going to be choosing. So I'm going to click on this show code button, and you can see you need to unlock your code. Obviously, this game is pretty expensive, so these codes are quite desirable. So you need to unlock your code, and this just keeps the code safe and ensure that each person can only get one each. So tap unlock code. Okay, and now you're going to see this page here which says Code Unlocker. Now, you need to unlock your code by just following these instructions. So it says complete 2 of the free offers below. Important, follow the unlock instructions below each app. So basically, guys, you can see on my screen here, I have a couple of different offers. These are like free games. Alternatively, there's other ones like completing surveys. You just have to make sure you fully complete 2, and you can see there is a description below each one telling you exactly what you need to do to complete them. So that's what I'm going to go and do. I'm going to complete these 2 on the screen here. So this one, I need to basically download this game from the App Store, and what does it say? So download and then complete level 8. And then this other one, I just need to basically follow the instructions. This looks like it's some sort of podcast I need to open up. So I'm going to do these 2. Then I'll come back and we can see if it gives me my WWE 2K24 digital game code. So I'll see you in a few minutes. I'll just finish these off. Okay, guys, so I just spent around 5 to 10 minutes making sure I fully completed 2 of these tasks. So that one at the top, I had to basically download to that game, and I had to complete level 8. So play the game until I got to level 8. And then I just downloaded this app where I had to listen to one of these podcasts, just open it up. So you just have to make sure you follow whatever instructions on the 2 tasks that you choose. So once you've fully completed 2 of them, go ahead and tap your tabs button, and now you can see I've got this WWE 2K24 tab up here. If you don't see this tab, you may have done something wrong, so do just make sure you follow the instructions. Now I'm going to open that up, and it has now revealed my digital game codes. So this is a code I can redeem on my Xbox, and it's going to download the full copy of WWE 2K24, and that is how easy this method is, guys. Takes around 5 to 10 minutes, and that's going to get you your full game and save you a bunch of money. So you've got to go to wavycoupons.com, just follow all of the instructions you've seen in this video, and that is how you can get a free copy of this brand new WWE game. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you need any help, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. Please smash that like button if you've got your free copy of the game. So let's see if we can get 100 likes on this video, and enjoy, guys. Peace out.